Hey guys, it's Steph and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be trying out Dose of Colors makeup. I intended to do this video literally months ago. Like I placed an order with Dose of Colors when these guys came out. So this is the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. So I've literally had this for months and months and months and months. And all I've done is like swatch a few colors and I've never actually put it on my face. So I was just sitting here just doing my makeup as I would normally, and I turned to my right and I just saw the box there just with the little Dose of Colors products in there, and I thought, today's the day. Today is the flipping day. So yeah, today it's obviously not going to be a full face testing video, but I thought I would just try out some products from Dose of Colors that I've had for a while. So I've got one of their palettes. Like I said, this is a Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. I also have the Fuego highlighter, which again, like I have swatched these many times just because I got so excited about how they looked, but just never ever used them on my face. I've also got the Iluvsarahii Soulmate highlighter, which again, swatched the crap out of it, never worn it. Like these just, see, this isn't the first time I've actually swatched it, but I'm still just like looking at it like, this looks so good. Like, what the hell? I've literally never tried anything from Dose of Colors, so I'm very excited. And then, last but not least, I also have one of their liquid lipsticks. This is the shade Knock on Wood, and it is just kind of nudie brown. So yeah, today we're going to be trying these products out, making some kind of makeup look. Although, looking at the palette, I'm already pretty sure I know what I'm going to be doing. These two blues here, because, I mean, yeah, this one in particular, this shade here, which is called A Moment. Can we have a moment? Oh. Like they just look mad. So I think we all know I'm going to be doing a smoky blue eye look today. Let's not kid ourselves here. I have no idea what my hair is doing. I feel like I just look like a crazy lioness right now. Yeah, if you guys want to see me chucking Dose of Colors on my face and letting you guys know my thoughts, please stay tuned. Seriously, like, what is that piece of hair doing? Doing, 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 doing. Sort yourself out. I give up. All right, so first of all, like I said, I have two different highlights from them. So I have the Desi and Katy one and then the Iluvsarahii. I think there are two from like each collection. I'm pretty sure you can still get both of them. So even though this video is very late, I'm pretty sure you can still get everything I kind of mentioned in this video. So, I mean, let's have a little look at the colors. They look fairly similar. They're like similar kind of tones. Let's do another swatch. Okay, so you can see that there. Yeah, they are quite similar. Let's swatch one there and one there. Okay. So this one here, which I believe was Fuego, is a lot more gold. And then the Soulmate one is a lot more of like a rose gold. And I don't know if you guys can see, but the textures seem to be a little bit different. Like the Iluvsarahii one almost seems to be a little bit like flaky, not in like a bad way. Flaky sounds like it's like really bad. But I don't know, it almost seems to have more of like a flaky texture to it. Whereas this one just seems like a regular kind of powder. So I'd be curious to see if they like apply differently. All right, so I think I'm going to take the Soulmate one first, just because that one does look a little bit darker, and I'm going to take my Morphe M501. All right, let's see what we can do. No highlighter on or nothing right now. Oh, okay. Well, that was bloody worth the wait. Only took me months and months to use this flipping thing, but that is... It's got a little bit of kickback, but like right now I'm not bothered because this just looks so nice. Let's just do a little bit up here. Oh, beaut. Cupid's bow. Oh my god, look at my flipping milk mustache. Whoa, okay. I mean, I was expecting these to be good because I do hear a lot about Dose of Colors highlighters, but I wasn't expecting it to be this good. This literally is just so metallic and intense, but it also doesn't really look like anything on my skin. Like, it's leaving the tiniest little cast on me because it is ever so slightly too dark for me. But doesn't mean I'm going to stop wearing it because it's insane. I feel like just the way that catches the light is just, oh, so good. Right, now that's getting me really excited for this one because I think I actually prefer this color. So this is Fuego, and they actually relaunch this because I think it was so popular. I wanted to get my hands on it the first time it launched, which was like, I don't know, like a year or two ago. But it sold out so quickly. So when I saw this, I was like, thank you. So let's see what this guy's like. Oh, they're so nice. Oh my God. Oh my God, they're so good. Is this like a new like favorite highlighter formula for me? Because this is up there with Rodeo Drive by Ofra. Both of them. Oh my God. They literally go on so easy. Like they're so pigmented, but they don't look chunky. They don't look like anything on my skin really. The only way they actually look like something on my skin is if you actually see the bloody light bouncing off my face. Oh, I like this a lot. I like these a lot. I think I'm slightly leaning more towards Fuego just because it's slightly warmer. It's got a little touch of warmth to it. Whereas Soulmate has like a little bit of silver to it, which I do still really like. But yeah, I think Fuego's like just pulling out ever so slightly in the lead. Oh my God, I have to put this all over my body. I don't even need to try the other products to know that this is worth the wait. Like, regardless of whether or not the other products are any good, that was worth the order. That was worth the shipping that I had to pay. Because yeah, I also ended up buying this like before it actually launched in the UK, so before it was on Beauty Bay or anything. So I ended up having to pay like more expensive shipping and I had to pay customs. And still, like, it was still worth the bloody wait. I'm just going to even myself up a little bit just so I'm not two different colours. Oh, I'm so in love with that. Like, just the way that is just making my skin just glisten. I'm like, very, very nice. So next, I think I'm actually going to move on to the lip because, I mean, I was looking at those blues, and I still am looking at those blues, but I don't really know if it's going to go with this lip or not. So I kind of want to see what this lip looks like and then judge it from there. So I'm going to try this first. So like I said, this is the, what are you even called? Doesn't seem to say what the actual product is. It's just like their matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Knock on Wood. So it's got a kind of, I don't really know what sort of shape doe foot this is, but it's got like a little divot in it, so it just kind of hugs your lips. It's the same kind of doe foot as the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks. Do they have a smell? Oh, they just smell kind of vanilla-ish. Ooh, hello there. Again, heard a lot about these. Oh, it's almost kind of like a little bit peachy. Now, how the hell did I go that far outside of my lip line? It's very opaque. Seems to go on really nicely. I'm just going to quickly even that up a little bit. That's nice. That is really comfortable. Like, it's drying down not too quickly, so I'm not having to like really mess around with it. And I'm not having to like really layer it up. It's drying down like quick enough. But I mean, I also had time to kind of like correct my lip line a little bit and go back over my Cupid's bow without like caking up my lips or anything. I'm a big fan of that color as well. Like, I know it's nothing groundbreaking, but I don't know. I don't really feel like I have too many nude liquid lipsticks this color. I like it a lot. All right, so we'll see how that wears like throughout the rest of the video. Now, it's your turn. All right, so first of all, I've got to say, like, I didn't even really mention it earlier. The packaging for like all of these products, to be fair, is sick. These especially, like, it's like a flipping disco. Right, so I feel like we actually can maybe get away with that blue. I want to do the blue. Okay, so this is what we're working with right now. Obviously, I've swatched the blues. Let's swatch this like greeny shade as well. Oh, damn, but that's nice too. Yeah, it's almost like a kind of oil slick. Like in some lights, it looks like forest green. And then other lights, it just kind of looks like almost like a brownie green. What the hell? So then I'll also just swatch a couple of the mattes just to see how they swatch. Very well by the looks of things. Let's do one there. Oh, shit. Very well by the looks of things. Okay. Oh, my tea's going cold. All right, so we have got 5 mattes and 5 shimmers to work with. I think I have got to go in with that blue. So how should we do this? Let's go in with this shade here. Just this guy there, which is called Necessary. And I'm going to work that in the crease. Nice. Pigmented, pretty much all you need. That's why they called it Necessary, because it's all you need. Okay, that seems to be building up nicely. Seems to be blending out quite nicely as well, like no issues whatsoever. I know it's like a very kind of standard colour, but it's doing well so far. Do I just go straight in with the blue? What do I do here? I'm going to take the shade Churro, which is this brown here. It's kind of like a warm brown. I'm just going to do something around like my crease and my outer corner for a minute. Warm that up slightly. Okay, that's very pigmented. I'm literally using the same brush just to kind of blend it in with what we've already done. Nice. So again, like tap, tap. That's all I'm doing. Tap off the excess. And then just patting it on the outside. And then just kind of working that in to the crease. And yeah, so far these are blending out really, really easily. I also like with this palette that obviously you've kind of got like neutrals sort of in the middle. And then you've got your warms on this side and then your cool tones on this side. So I quite like that. Now, again, I'm just going to keep it really, really simple so far. So I'm going to go in with the shade Cheens, which is this one. It's hard to show you this palette without it like reflecting everywhere. This one. A little bit of kickback on that. Just a heads up. And again, just focus that a little bit more like on the outer corner just so we get a lot of depth. Just so it kind of goes dark brown, lightest brown. And then again, that sort of goes dark brown, lighter brown, then lightest brown right at the like inner corner. Yeah, these are blending out really nice. They're not like over blending, which is good because they are super, super pigmented, but they're not like so pigmented that they just kind of go everywhere. They just seem to kind of stay where you put them. Ooh, I like that. Nice. Add some lashes to that and you're sorted. All right, so now is the time we're going with this shade called A Moment. I'm hoping this is good. I'm literally like, because it's kind of, I don't know what these sort of pigments are called, I guess, but it kind of seems like pressed almost. So I'm not going to tap it, but I'm just going to go wiggle, wiggle. Okay, seems like we've got a good little bit of payoff there. And I'm going to put that on my lid. This brush is completely dry, and that has just applied like it was wet. And it's still going. That is literally applying like a foil. Oh my god, look. Look at that flipping colour. This is like everything I wanted and more. Really? That's a bit bonkers, to be honest. I don't understand. Like, what are these made out of? I know it sounds like my head couldn't get any further up this palette's ass, but that is insane. I could literally just like cut the crease with that. It's so creamy that it literally goes exactly where you want to put it. Like, I just went right around my lid and it's such a sharp line. It's literally gone on like a cream. Okay, I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and I'm going to take the first shade called Necessary. And I'm just going to work that in the crease and see how that kind of blends. Can we get a little bit of blending action going on up in here? Took a little minute, but it suddenly just started to like blend in with that brown. Ooh, that's pretty. By the way, there's like no fallout. There's like one speck of glitter, like just here. But other than that, no fallout so far. You know, a little spoiler alert here, guys, but I'm going to buy more Dose of Colours palettes because I need to see if this is either just like a one-off palette or if their formula of eyeshadows is just insane. Because, I mean, I know it's early days and I haven't tried every colour, but this is definitely one of my new favourite palettes. I just cannot get over the actual quality of the eyeshadow. Like, that has blended so nicely. It doesn't look choppy at all. It goes on like so pigmented, but it doesn't overblend. Stays exactly where you want to put it. And normally I find with colours like this, like you blend them out and then you just kind of lose the majority of the colour. Like, I do still want to add a little bit more to kind of really amp it up again because it's such an intense colour. But I mean, you really don't lose much colour at all. Like, oh, it's so good. Okay, I'm now going to take this shade here, just the other kind of deep blue, which is called Game over. And I'm going to pat that on the outer corner. It just kind of looks like a more like muted blue. Slightly more cool toned almost. Like that. Oh man. I mean, it doesn't look that much different, but it does just give like the right amount of depth. I'm obsessed. I'm flipping obsessed with this. Look at that. How the hell do you do that? I barely even need to do anything to that. That's just kind of done it for me. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of churro, which is the warmer brown, just to warm up that crease slightly. And then should I put that blue on my lower lash line as well? I think I'm going to. I want to do it. I just love it so much. Okay, we'll take some of that. I don't know why this has turned into ASMR. But we're going to take some of this. Right, and I'm going to run that on my lower lash line. Nothing too crazy just yet. Oh, just stabbed myself in the eye. That's good. All right, getting a little bit more fallout now. Let's just sweep it away. Okay, it's giving me a bit of fallout. So yeah, if you are planning on like using a lot of these shimmers, I would definitely recommend you probably do your eyes first or really powder your under eye so you can sweep it away. I love it. Okay, I'm just going to take a little bit of Necessary again and just run that under my lower lash as well. And then just see if we can kind of wing that out. Just a touch. Trying to get a little bit of like a wing going on here. Clean it up a touch. I like that a lot. All right, so I'm then going to go in with this little shimmery shade here, which is called Just a Kiss. And let's see what this looks like. Ooh, looks quite kind of glittery. Let's just pop that right on the inner corner. Oh, that's nice too. That would make a banging highlighter. It's got a little bit of glitter in it, but it's kind of one of those glittery shimmers where if you kind of buff it in a little bit, then it's just pure shimmer, no glitter. Right, I'm going to take this angle brush, because I know it's a little bit random, but I'm going to take this angle brush. And I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Yeah, boy. Dust that off my trouser leg. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of Game Over and just kind of stamp that on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Oh, mate. I'm a bit obsessed with that, to be honest. That's so sick. All right, guys, I'm running a little low on time, so I'm just going to quickly go off camera, do the other eye, add some mascara, add some falsies. You know the drill, and I will check back with you for my final thoughts, although pretty sure you can guess how I'm feeling about all this. All right, guys, so I got my lashes on, looking a little bit more put together. I am so obsessed with this, my lashes are stuck together, with this eyeshadow palette. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with the highlighters, like, look at that. Look at all this going on here. The liquid lipstick, I like it. I don't know if it's like my favorite. It's very comfortable, but it does also look a little bit dry, kind of like around the inside of my mouth. Like, I don't know, just like here, it just kind of has bunched up a little bit. Nothing you can't combat with like a little bit of lip balm underneath, but that is just something to note. But yeah, these eyes, man, this blue, this highlight. I mean, to be honest, all I really need to say is the fact that I think I found one of my new favorite eyeshadow palettes, and I think I found a new favorite highlighter. So, dose of colors. 2 thumbs up from me. So guys, let me know what you think of this look in the comment section down below. Let me know if you want any other looks with that palette, because obviously I am so down to use that even more. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you don't see more of me, because I upload all the damn time. Also, if you've tried out anything from Dose of Colors, let me know your favorite products or colors or whatever, because I am so down to try out more products. But apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.